At Parkview, we believe in the power of education to transform lives, and our school pillars underpin everything that we do. We're a school where every student can and will thrive academically, socially and emotionally. Our students are supported, challenged and inspired to achieve their very best and contribute to our school and the wider community. From state-of-the-art facilities to exciting lessons and enrichment opportunities, everything at Parkview is designed to help our young people thrive. We work closely with our families and local community to ensure that every child is supported throughout their time with us, both at home and at school. And this partnership ensures that every student will be a success.
Our curriculum is designed to help every student thrive. It's broad, ambitious and inclusive, giving students opportunities to discover their passion and develop transferable skills. Through our academic and social curriculum, as well as our extensive enrichment opportunities beyond the classroom, our young people are prepared, not just for exams, but for life beyond school. We recognise the vital role families play in education. We keep our parents involved every step of the way, because learning thrives when school and home work together.
Sports here at Parkview has helped us thrive individually. It pushes us to be our best and to believe in ourselves. It taught us how to be confident and to keep going when things get tough.
At Parkview School, we set high expectations because we know that every student can achieve them. We focus on ambition, resilience and respect, supporting students to be the very best version of themselves. When high standards combine with strong support, students don't just succeed, they thrive.
When I first joined Parkview, everyone was so welcoming. This made me settle in, and now I'm way more confident.
Welcome to Parkview. This is the place where everything changes. In September, I've gained a whole new passion for learning, and now I strive for excellence. We look forward to see you thrive as well.
Each day at Parkview is filled with opportunities and ways that I can thrive.
Parkview is where we grow and change together for the better.
At Parkview, performing arts has helped me and my friends build confidence and thrive in school.
At Parkview, we don't just succeed in thriving conditions, we also show acts of kindness.
At Parkview, safeguarding and well-being are central to helping students thrive. We ensure every young person feels safe, supported and confident to be themselves. We also provide pastoral care, mentoring and guidance to help students manage challenges, build resilience and flourish in every aspect of school life.
At Parkview, every student has the right to thrive with whatever their individual needs. We provide tailored support, encouragement and strategies to help students overcome challenges. Our focus is on inclusion and ensuring that all learners can access the curriculum, achieve their potential and thrive within our school community.
Transition is such an important part of a young person's journey, and at Parkview we make it a priority. From the very first visit in Year 6 to the first week in Year 7, we provide guidance, support and a welcoming environment. Our goal is to ensure every child feels confident, settled and ready to thrive from the moment they join us.
In science, we encourage students to ask big questions and explore the world around them. Through experiments and hands-on investigations, our students gain scientific knowledge and develop key practical skills. Science at Parkview gives them curiosity, ambition and the confidence to thrive in an ever-changing world.
In English, our students thrive by finding their voice. We nurture a love of reading, the skills to write with clarity and the confidence to express themselves. English at Parkview empowers students to engage with ideas, think critically and share their stories.
What makes Parkview special is the energy, the ambition and our community. Our students grow in confidence, make lasting friendships and discover what they're capable of. This is a place where every young person can thrive.